wiring.
Yeah, I was wondering why it was freezing up.
Yeah.
You can't even see through it. We'll have to look at it once the ice melts. It's a good one. But boy, howdy, is it dirty. It's missing some parts, but we're gonna see if we can breathe some life back into this old critter. Wow. That top corner needs another blast. This thing was filthy.
He's trying to stretch the water hose around him now.
Oh, yeah, definitely need
Goes
water.
all the way around there at the front corner. He won't stick his jaw on the property.
Yeah. We'll see what it looks like when we're done. We're gonna make this thing work. It's a good one. The second wash. There's a coil under all that.
Huh?
There's a coil underneath all of that.
Yeah, there is.
Love me or hate me, both are in my favor. If you love me, I'll always be in your heart. If you hate me, I'll always be in your mind.